Looking for the best folding hand truck? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 folding hand truck the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Cosco Shifter 300 pounds capacity multi-position heavy-duty folding hand truck and dolly. 300 pound weight capacity. Stainless steel frame. Versatile construction, transforms from a 2-wheel to a 4-wheel hand truck. Folds flat for easy storage and transportation. No tools required to fold or unfold or transform it from 2-wheel to 4-wheel. A top seller and a lightweight, versatile hand truck. The wheels on this hand truck are smaller and not suited for unpaved roads. At number 2. Magna cart, ideal folding hand truck, 150 pounds capacity. 19mm steel frame, can hold up to 150 pounds. Easy open design, requires no tools and practically no effort. When folded, this hand truck takes up only 2 inches. Comes in silver, black, and red. Certified frustration-free packaging, is easy to open. A top choice at an affordable price. Best suited for lighter jobs. 150 pound weight maximum, is lighter than that of other hand trucks on our list. At number 1. Vergo S300 BT model industrial folding hand truck dolly. Can hold up to 275 pounds. Telescope handle, can extend up to 42 inches. Wheels are made of durable rubber that can travel over most terrain. Folds to 2.5 inches thick when collapsed. Aluminium frame, won't rust. Weighs 10 pounds with nothing on it. Durable hand truck with a high weight capacity and top-of-the-line construction. Expensive when compared to other hand trucks. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.